Hello everyone, welcome back to mathsmood. Here we have interesting equation x square root of x equal to x plus square root of x. If you know an answer, if you feel an answer, write your suggestion in a comment. So let's try to solve it. First of all, we can simplify this a little bit. We can write this x as square root of x times square root of x. So this x can be written as square root of x times square root of x. So let's write the other plus square root of x equal to x square root of x. What we can see right here, we have square root of x and square root of x. Of course, we can factor out it as a common, so let's do this. We will have x square root of x equal to square root of x, and in parentheses we will have this square root of x, and from here we will have only 1. So, what we're going to do next, we have parentheses, we have square root of x, so we need our x's on the left and a number or value on the right. So, x square root of x minus square root of x times square root of x plus 1. So we just bring this on the left. So we have square root of x and square root of x right here, and of course we can factor out it as a common. So let's do this. We will have square root of x, and in parentheses we will have x minus, and this parentheses, square root of x plus 1 equal to 0. Really good case right now because we have a product, we have a parentheses, we have a product, and the first root is clear, square root of x equal to 0 and x equal to 0. So this is our first root to this equation. And let's go to our other parentheses. So we have an interesting case, we have x minus square root of x minus 1 equal to 0. So really good case right now because we have x and square root of x, and of course this x can be written as square root of x square. So we can write this x as square root of x square and minus square root of x minus 1 equal to 0. So it's really good moment to let a substitution right here. So let this square root of x equal to t. And then we will have t squared from here minus t and minus 1. Interesting quadratic equation, t squared minus t and minus 1 equal to 0. How can I solve this? Of course, let's write our ABC, a equal to 1, b equal to minus 1, and c equal to minus 1. So, and we can real quick find our t. So t first will be equal to 1 plus, our square root will be equal to 1 plus 4 will be square root of 5 over 2. And t second will be equal to 1 minus square root of 5 over 2. As you can see right here, this value will be less than 0, because square root of 5 is greater than 2, of course, and we will have in our numerator we will have minus value, negative value, so this will be less than 0, which is not good because we have a substitution square root of x equal to t, and this t should be greater than 0. So we only interested in this root. So let's go to our substitution. We have square root of x equal to t, so square root of x equal to 1 plus square root of 5 over 2. Let's raise both sides to the second power, then we will have only our x, so x equal to 1 plus square root of 5 over 2 square. Of course, we can simplify this a little bit. We can raise numerator and denominator to the second power, and we will have 1 plus 2 square root of 5 plus 5 over 4. The last step, we can add this 1 plus 5, so we will have 6 plus 2 square root of 5 over 4. And this is the solution. This is our second root, so this is our first root, x1 equal to 0 and x2 equal to, we can divide both sides, numerator and denominator, by 2, so we will have the final result 3 plus square root of 5 over 2. And this is our second root. If you agree with this method, if you disagree, maybe you have faster method, write your suggestion in a comment, write your question in the comments. Thank you for watching and see you in the next videos.